If you are a cat lover, this place in Shanghai is for you. Let's go. This place is located in Shanghai and it's called the Cat's Island. On this little island, there are a lot of cats that you can feed, you can play with. They are very friendly. Most of them are not afraid to come and be pet. It is absolutely free to come to this island and pet the cats, feed them, but you need to register in advance. Check the description box to know how to register and come here. And for now, let's observe the area. So this is the surrounding area and not the main island. But there were still a lot of cats in here. We could see that all the cats are being fed. They have a big bowl full of food, full of water. They were happily walking everywhere, playing together, welcoming us. Some of them let us pet them, some did not. Later, they gathered everyone and started telling more about this place. They were also selling little snacks and the paste for cats, so if you didn't have with you, you could buy from them. It was very cheap. We bought a lot of snacks and the paste they like to eat, but we also had some food we took from home. Then we went together to the main island. We needed to pass a bridge and we would arrive to the island. We've been told that there were over 300 cats before, but right now they have more than 100. They also told us that these cats are used to this place and they are just living in here. They're not even leaving the area or going somewhere else. They enjoyed the snacks that we took from home more than the ones we bought in here. If you visit this area, I recommend you to buy those wet cat food.
It's your pet.
I'm expecting like a very big area full of cats.
It's already a lot.
Let's feed them.
It's your paradise, huh?
Yeah, I want my personal cat island. Eating the fish I gave him. So this is the island. As you can see, it's super small, but seems like it's convenient for these cats to live in here.
I think that... in the same plate.
So many orange cats.
Let's see his eyes.
Yeah. One blue, one green. We had a great time in this place, and I do believe that if you're a cat lover, you will love this place so much. Thank you for watching and see you in our next video. Bye! Mimi? Mimi?